Welcome to Naurus Apartments, your 6th H-floor slice of paradise. This stunning four-bedroom gem offers jaw-dropping ocean views and a lifestyle of pure coastal luxury. The open-plan kitchen is a culinary dream, fitted with premium appliances, sleek cabinetry, and marble countertops perfect for entertaining guests or savoring a quiet evening. At 50 million Kenyan shillings, this apartment isn't just a home, it's a bold flex of class, comfort, and coastal charm, because who needs savings when you've got seafront luxury? Wake up to endless ocean views, the sound of waves, and a breeze that whispers luxury. Your living room is pure coastal magic. Make the ocean your neighbor. Own the seafront dream at Naurus Apartments, Nyali. Contact us now. All four bedrooms exude comfort and style, in the master suite, it's your private haven, with stunning views and a spa inspired in suite. Step in and be amazed. Sunlit space flows to your private seafront balcony with stunning ocean views.